In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear and limit cache in Google Drive for Desktop step by step, so you can free up storage, fix sync issues, and keep the app running a little more smoothly. If your Drive app feels sluggish, is taking up too much space, or you just want to manage the files it stores locally, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact settings you need. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and open Google Drive for Desktop from the System tray. This is usually where you'll find the Drive icon running in the background. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons, then select Google Drive. Once the app opens, click the gear icon to bring up the Settings menu. From there, choose Preferences. This is where most of the important Drive settings are stored, including storage, syncing, and cache options. In the Preferences window, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon again. This opens the More Advanced Settings area, where you can manage how Google Drive stores temporary data on your computer. Now scroll through the options until you find Cache Settings. Depending on your version of Google Drive for Desktop, this section may appear slightly different, but it should still be easy to locate once you know where to look. Under Cache Settings, you'll see the option to Clear Cache. Click that to remove stored temporary files from Google Drive. This can help free up disk space and may also resolve minor performance problems or syncing issues caused by old cache data. If you want Google Drive to use less local storage in the future, look for the Disk Space Usage option. If your version supports it, you can adjust this setting to limit how much cache Drive keeps on your device. This is especially useful if you're working on a laptop or a device with limited storage. After making your changes, click Done or Save to apply everything. That's it, your cache is now cleared, and your storage limit has been adjusted if that option was available in your version. This is a simple but useful way to keep Google Drive for Desktop under control, and make sure it isn't using more space than you want. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.